Hi friends, in this problem, college is there, it needs certain funds and it has raised 75% of the funds from certain people of this college who on an average donated rupees 600. Right. Now the people who donated 600, they actually represent 60% of the people in the college. Right. Now remaining 40% people, they should donate how much? How much amount so that the college is reaches the goal that it has set for itself. Right. Here again, this is a very straightforward problem. Let the total fund needed for the college is X, and let the college population is P. Right. Now we are saying 60% of this population P, right, 0.6 P, that is, they have contributed 600. Now, with this contribution, the college has reached 75% of its goal, 75% of this target. Right, what does that mean? Let's just simplify this. Zero point 0.6 into 600, which is 360p equals 0.75 x. X is the total fund and p is the college population. Right. And what is left? 75% is done. We need 25%. Right. If 0.75x is 360p, 0.25x will become what? 0.25x is the remaining fund. 0.25x will become 360p by 3, which is 120p. Right, we are just dividing by 3 on both sides. So 120p is what that is needed. The remaining fund. Remaining fund is 0.25x, which is actually equal to 120p. Right, 120p is the remaining fund. Right. Now this should be received by how many people? 40% of this total population, each contributing some amount, right? Zero point 0.4 of this total population, which is 40% of the population, each contributing some amount C. This P and P will get cancelled. The contributing amount C becomes 120 by zero point 0.4, which becomes 300. Right, guys? This is a pretty straightforward problem. We just need to assume some X and P and write a plain equation and solve it. Thank you, guys.